Let's take a look at the first example. I'm going to rewrite this division in fraction form. So I have 6.3 times 10 to the third over 3 times 10 to 7, and everything has to be multiplied by 2 times 10 to the fifth. 6.3 divided by 3 is 2.1 times 10. Remember, anytime you divide numbers with the same base, you have to keep the base and subtract the exponents. I have 3 minus 7 times 2 times 10 to the fifth. 2.1 times 10. 3 minus 7 is negative 4 times 2 times 10 to the fifth. Now I have multiplication. I'm going to rewrite this product as 2.1 times 2. I can do that because I have multiplication over here, and over here, times 10 to negative 4 times 10 to the fifth. Okay, one more time, I can rewrite this problem like this because all these numbers, all these values are joined together by the multiplication. 2.1 times 2 is 4.2 times 10. Remember, anytime you multiply two numbers with the same base, okay, we're supposed to keep the base and add exponents. I have minus 4 plus 5. I have 4.2 times 10 to power 1. Now I'm going to convert this power 1 to power 0 in order to convert this expression to engineering notation. Anytime the exponent will go down, number has to go up. I have to decrease exponent by 1. So that's why I have to move my decimal point once to right. Exponent goes down, number goes up. That's why I have 42 times 10 to 0. On the left side of the decimal point, I have number between 1 and 999, and exponent of my power of 10 is 0. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Keep in mind that we're supposed to give the answer in engineering notation. The first number has power of 10, which has exponent different than multiple of 3. Also, the third number has the power of 10 with exponent different than multiple of 3. That's why I'm going to convert this 5 to 3 and this 2 to 3. In order to convert this to 3, I have to move my decimal point. Exponent has to get smaller, number has to get bigger. The difference between 5 and 3 is 2. It means that I have to move my decimal point twice to right. That's why I'm going to have 800 times 10 to the third plus, copy down, 6 times 10 to the third because I have the same exponents, minus, and this time I have to convert 2 to 3. Exponent will go up, number has to go down. Means I have to move my decimal point once to left. That's why I'm going to have 0.2 times 10 to the third power. Now please notice that all powers of 10 are identical. Okay, that's why I can perform the operation of addition and subtraction. So I have 800 plus 6 is 806. Next, we're supposed to subtract from 806.2. Borrow 1 from here, this becomes 10 over here. 10 minus 2 is 8. Bring down the decimal point, and I'm going to bring down 508. My final answer is 805.8 times 10 to the third. I have to keep this power of 10. The number on the left side of decimal point is between 1 and 999, and the exponent of power of 10 is multiple of 3. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem.